Hello and welcome back to our tutorial. In case you missed out on our last video, watch our video on how to configure your business details. On this video, we get to learn how to add stores and outlets. Do you have different branches or departments? This is how you add their locations. On our dashboard, click on the Locations module and click on Classification. On default, the system is set with one outlet as the headquarters. It also has preset groups, that is the system administrator, headquarters, branches, and departments. There are also relations showing how the groups are related. For example, headquarters is the parent of branches and a department is a child of a branch. If your business doesn't have multiple branches, then you do not need to change anything. Otherwise, on the Tags section, click on Add Tag. Write the name of the department or the branch or the headquarters. For example, Branch 1. Choose the group it belongs to, in this case, branches. Choose the parent belongs to and click on Add. You can do the same for all the locations you have. A store is where your items are kept. For example, you can have a main store where the items are kept before they are dispatched to a front office store. And you can have the front office store as where you sell your items from. For example, a restaurant business would have multiple kinds of stores. For instance, a drink store for all the drinks items at the back office and a barista store for all the drinks items at the point of sale. An electronic, hardware, or a fashion business would have a back office store to stock items that are not frequently sold or have excessive quantities, and a front office store for displaying some of the items. If you need him to add your stores, expand the Location module and click on Store. Click the Add Store button, write in the store name, for example, Drywood Store, select the Location tab, and choose whether it is a physical or a mobile store. In this case, physical. Click on Add. You can do the same for all the stores in your business. Your outlets and stores are now set up. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. See you on our next video to get to learn how to add your product.